What's up guys, in this video we're talking about multi-layer PCB designs in Flux. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Overshoot, my name is Cornelius Robinson. Working with multiple layers is necessary when you have a dense or complex board. This board isn't dense, but we'll use it as an example. Obviously, we can utilize both sides of a board by moving some parts to the bottom layer. Just right-click on the part and select Flip Layer, or use the keyboard shortcut. If we open the layer panel, you notice we have 4 layers by default. To change this, simply select Layer in the Objects panel and add an object-specific rule. Just find Stack Up and add it. We can choose anything from 1 layer up to 12 layers. You can see that change in the layer panel. When we go to route traces, it's easy to change layers by right-clicking and selecting the layer and continuing with the trace. But what if we drew a trace on the wrong layer or wanted the trace to start on a different layer? This is easy to fix. Just select the trace and change the layer in the Object Specific Rules panel. Once the design starts to get a bit dense, we can highlight layers or even hide them altogether. If you just play around with the layer panel, you quickly get a sense for everything here. Alright, that's it for this video. It's a short one, but I hope it gives you an idea of how to implement multi-layer PCB designs in Flux. If this was helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more content like this every week.